morning. So welcome to Trucker's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be telling you what we're cooking. So a lot of this food I have already pre-prepped some of it. So like we are eating some local fresh ground sausage that was pre-cooked the other day. We just fried it all up at one time and we put some of it back in a container and put it in the fridge. Green peppers, they were already diced up. Potatoes, already diced up. So I'm going to show you that in the skillet, and then what I'm going to do is add some eggs, and I seasoned it, and then we'll put cheese over the top of it and have us a little breakfast bowl. So here's what it looks like, guys. Here's the setup. We have our little fold-out table out here. You can see here's a skillet. Looking good. All right, so right here I have the trash bag, and I have my eggs, so I'm gonna go ahead and crack the eggs, and then just throw the shells in there, throw the eggs in there, and then up here I have set up the spices. So just salt, pepper, and some garlic that I added in there. And I keep that in a spice drawer. And I'm gonna go ahead, get these eggs in there, and then I'll show you how we flip the table around and get stuff cleaned up. All right, guys, so the food's done cooking. I already went ahead and put away the extension cord as the cheese was melting, and now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna plate this up, and then I'm gonna pre-soak the pan as we're eating it, flip the table around, and show you how we do that quick transition. So you guys know that this truck does have a table in it, but we just found long-term use it wasn't really practical because we were putting the table up and down, and it was just beginning to be more work than worth. So we got this little pop-up table in here now, and it does wonders. It just slides right behind the seat, and it works well for us. I know I'm a little bit smaller, so it's, you know, easy for me to move around, but it's so much easier than putting the table up and down. Now, if you were just a single driver, that'd be no problem. You know, it wouldn't be as much, but we have a little bit more stuff in here with two people always riding in here.
And the really downer to it was that you had to use those little RV style mattresses to sleep on. That was no good. So we put our memory foam, 11-inch memory foam mattress in here. That helps. That's good times.
That helps a lot. All right, check that out. Ooh, yum. Uh-oh, we're losing sausage. Don't worry, it fell right into Lily's bowl. She's excited now. All right, so now to help in the cleaning process, over here in the driver's seat, I already have all the dish stuff. I always pre-prep it, so that way it can be sitting there. So all I'm gonna do is get our dishwater, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill this pan up because it's nice and hot. I'm just gonna put a little water in there, and just slide the jug right up. Just do a quick little scrape across the bottom. Because it is an electric skillet, guys, stuff sticks to the bottom. Yuck. So we're just gonna go ahead and let that set. And now, oh, we got them backwards. Using the big old plate. All right, so I have the table set, and now Scott's gonna come join me. We're gonna show you what that looks like when we flip the table around. All right, Lily, come on. You gotta put the dog up first. She just sits next to us in the corner. Now we pick it up, rotate it, sit down, and then just pull it on back. Now we're ready to eat. And then when we're done, I just pick the table back up, rotate it over, and then do the dishes. So if you want to find out how we do the dishes, you're gonna have to check out the dish video for more details about that. It's a little bit more lengthy, but this is Trucker's Kitchen. Sausage, breakfast, egg scramble. I'm sure it's great, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
It's always good. I'm a good cook. All right, guys. So until next time, drive safe and enjoy the adventures. Bye.
Give me my